Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth and I'm going to talk about the Art Deco's All-in-One Mascara. So, I've been using this mascara a lot lately because I really like it. The texture is just great because it's not too dry but neither too thin and not too liquid. It's just perfect. I love it. And another thing I really like about it is the brush. I'm gonna show you. So here you go. And as you can see, it's quite a big brush and it has loads of bristles on it, which makes it really easy to apply and which helps to get all the little baby lashes on the outer corner of your eye. And last but not least, I like about it that even though it's volumizing and lengthening, it keeps your lashes really natural looking, and I think that's just perfect for daytime and work and whatever you like it. So I hope you liked my video and bye!